Welcome to Simple Review. Ather is setting new standards in the electric scooter market with its modern-day features and high-performance EVs. In this video, we take a detailed look at the 2025 Ather 450S, 450X and 450 Apex, covering everything from pricing, range and features. So is 2025 Ather 450 the best EV for urban rides? Let's find out in this video. Now talking about its pricing details, the Ather 450S 2.9 is the most affordable variant, priced at 1,20,000 rupees with 105 km range. Next is the Ather 450X 2.9, priced at 1,47,000 rupees, offering the same range of 105 km but with extra features. If you need more range, the Ather 450X 3.7 costs 1,57,000 rupees and delivers 130 km range. Ather 450 Apex, a limited edition model priced at 2 lakh rupees, delivers 130 km range. Here is a quick overview of all the variants' pricing details. Range figures may vary with driving modes like Smart Eco, Ride, Sport and Wrap. For latest offers, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Let's discuss in-depth features of each variant. The Ather 450S is powered by PMSM mid-drive motor with a peak power output of 5.4 kW and a torque of up to 22 Nm. This scooter offers a responsive and thrilling ride experience. It can accelerate from 0 to 40 km in just 3.9 seconds. To enhance the ride adaptability, Ather has equipped the 450S with 3 distinct riding modes: Smart Eco, Ride and Sport. The scooter features a 7-inch LCD display which can be operated using joystick-based controls. Additional features like reverse mode, auto hold assist, fall safe auto off features which improves better riding experience. When it comes to charging, the Ather 450S comes with portable charger where full charge takes approximately 7 hours and 45 minutes. Now coming to Ather 450X, one of the most advanced and performance-oriented electric scooters available today. Powered by a 6.4 kW PMSM mid-drive motor, it delivers 26 Nm of torque, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 40 km in just 3.3 seconds. The Ather 450X is packed with smart technology featuring a 7-inch touchscreen display integrated with Google Maps, Bluetooth connectivity and Alexa skills, ensuring a seamless and connected riding experience. It also includes traction control for improved stability and safety on different road conditions. Unique rider-friendly features like Magic Twist enable riders to slow down the scooter smoothly without using any brakes, enhancing control and battery efficiency. Charging the Ather 450X is efficient with the Dio charger, which takes approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge the 2.9 kWh variant and 5 hours and 30 minutes for the 3.7 kWh variant. Also, it supports Ather Grid for fast charging. This ensures that riders can quickly recharge and get back on the road without long waiting times. Coming to Ather 450 Apex, which is a limited edition scooter with unique design pattern, has Wrap Plus mode where 0 to 40 km can be achieved in 2.9 seconds. It can clock a top speed of 100 km per hour. Here is a quick overview of all the specifications of Ather 450 variants. Ather scooter comes with standard warranty of 3 years or 30,000 km, whichever is earlier. If you purchase Pro Pack, warranty will extend to 5 years or 60,000 km. In addition to that, if user pays additional amount of 5,000 rupees, warranty will extend to 8 years or 80,000 km. Check out additional benefits of Pro Pack over the screen. When switching to an electric vehicle, one of the biggest concerns is electricity consumption and running costs. With an electricity cost of 8 rupees per unit, the Ather 450S requires just 23 rupees for a full charge, providing a range of 105 km. Similarly, the Ather 450X costs only 30 rupees to charge fully, offering a range of 130 km. To give you a real-world perspective, we also explore a savings comparison calculator for those who travel around 30 km per day. Over 5 years, an Ather scooter can help you save between 79,000 rupees to 1,06,000 rupees depending on your model choice and fuel costs of traditional scooters. This makes the Ather 450 series a game changer in terms of affordability and efficiency. Here are a few pros and cons of the scooter. Overall, Ather is a trusted and reliable EV brand. If you're on a budget, the 450S offers a good value. But for those seeking more features and better range, the 450X 3.7 is the best choice. It provides a great mix of performance, practicality, and long-range capability. Finally, Ather 450 series is available in these 7 stunning color options. That's all for now. Let me know which vehicle should I review next. Drop your suggestions in the comments. For more detailed automotive reviews, comparisons, and expert recommendations, stay tuned to Simple Review.